So today we have a pretty cool project in the shop. It's a bucket that has been torn up for a small excavator. That's 5/16 plate. That's our B-Series plasma table. This is what it's supposed to look like. We cut the damaged one out. Goes in this bucket right here. One of the cool features about the B-Series plasma table from Piranha is it has a library inside here. So I can come over here and find shapes and then alter those shapes inside the machine console here. So the shape number 10 looks real close to the part that we need. It's on the table right there. So that's what I'm gonna choose. We're gonna alter it. I got my specific dimensions and then we'll be right back.
All right, so we decided shape number 10 can be altered to get the part that we need, and we've already done the calculations here and measured the bucket piece. So I'm gonna select number 10. Oop, go back. Just toggle over until I get to number 10. I'm gonna enter. And then on the right side here, these are all the sizes. So size 1 is referring to the bottom of our piece that we need right here. So size 1 is gonna be 20.875. Then I skip down to size 2. Size 2 is our height. We know that's 14 inches, 14. I'm gonna skip down to size 3. Size 3 is our wings up here. We need to center that hole, so we know our wing on that side is 6.312 and the wing on the other side is 6.312. Size 5 is indicating our slot cutout here, and we determine it's going to be 4¼ inches, so 4.25. And then we're gonna come down to our lead ins and our lead outs. It automatically gives you a 1 inch lead in. That's too much. So we're gonna change that to a 1/2 inch by 0.5ing both our lead in and lead out. Enter. Now, that's the shape that we need for our bucket. So we had to cut it a little long because the bucket's not parallel on each side, so we will have to trim it manually by hand with a cutoff wheel or a plasma cutter, but that's gonna save us a lot of time than having to draw it all out on paper and do all those cuts and clean it up and then fit it and then retrim it. So we're gonna burn it out. Went ahead and saved that file. So we're gonna go to F1 Auto, and then we're gonna go to View, and it should pop up on our screen just like that. We already homed and zeroed our machine for where we wanna cut on the table. So the next thing is I'm gonna check and make sure that I had it reference 0. Then I'll go back to auto, I'll view it, and then I'll push the start button. We'll see about start cutting. Got our piece off the plasma table.
Hold it up here, see how it's looking. Might have to do a little finesse trimming because the bucket's not true to itself, but
saved a lot of time. B-Series plasma table, Piranha, Hypertherm Power Max 85. Bam, get you some, save some time, make some money.